Want to see a real-life Spider-Man? Check out the alpine goat. These mountain masters can scale cliffs like it's a walk in the park. Found in the rugged terrains of Europe, alpine goats have a knack for climbing steep, rocky slopes. Their secret? Super sharp hooves and an incredible sense of balance. You wouldn't believe it, but they can even climb trees. Plus, they live in some of the most breathtaking landscapes. Talk about a room with a view. Next time you think about hiking up a mountain, remember, an alpine goat could beat you to the top. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. See you next time, animal lovers.